Okay guys, as you can probably see based on the title of this video, this is the second round of my tournament. Well, it did not go so bad, but again, I'm not happy because I played against a person who was 1657 and I did not do anything special. d4, knight f6, knight f3, d5, e3. e3 is not actually the best. I mean, it's not bad, it's not a blunder, it's not even a mistake, but obviously it blocks my opponent's bishop, and why would you do that? Bishop d3, bishop g4, h3, bishop h5, and here, why not, I play knight d7, and why not e6 for example? Because I can play e6, but I can also try to play e5, that's why I'm playing knight d7. Keep in mind that this knight is pinned, b3, and here e5. Obviously I'm threatening a fork, so he needs to take. I am taking on e5, and you can already see that I've got a nice semi-open file. Amazing square for this bishop on d6 and e4, which is very important square. Knight bd2, what? And knight e4. Okay, and why? Why would I play? Why even knight bd to bd2 was important? Because here, if he doesn't do anything, if he plays bishop b2, knight f3, gf, and his king is weak. It doesn't look the best. It's not lost, but you don't want to play like this. So he wants to defend knight bd2. That's why I play knight e4. What's happening now? Well, if he plays bishop b2, I play knight d2, bishop e5, knight f3 again. That's why he cannot really defend himself, so he needs to take. I take on f3, take de, bishop e4, and queen g5. Obviously, if we have the weak king, we have to do something about it. King h1, we have open file, we put the rook into the game. Queen e2 and queen e5. What's happening now? Well, I made two threats. Attacked the rook and attacked the bishop. Maybe this bishop is defended by a pawn, but if this pawn disappears, this queen also disappears. Bishop d2 to defend the rook and queen e4. I'm just taking the bishop. Fe, bishop takes e2, and that's the end of the game. It's super quick. So guys, what I can tell you is just play actively. As you can see, I played actively. I developed my pieces while creating threats. I did not expect to win so quickly, but my opponent made mistakes, and I just seized the opportunities. So yeah guys, bye, see ya in the next one.